Hi, I'm Anthony Chen, Creative Director of CREAM and also the Chairman of Hong Kong Interior Design Association. Himeji Castle Restoration Project is one of the fine examples of what we can make out of a normally ordinary restoration project. They actually make it into a very iconic facade to attract people. And also inside, instead of just doing the day-to-day renovation, they turn it into an exhibition and education program, but at the same time, revenue generating scheme. So I think the whole exercise is a very much 360-degree coverage of what can be done for restoration projects. It shows how we can actually re-excite people's kind of inspiration and appetite to old buildings, old architecture. I think this project has done a really good job.